In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana tutorial for beginners, how to manage projects with Asana 5 minutes. Start by heading to Asana. If you're new, create an account. If you already have one, simply log in. Enter your email address, click continue, then type your password and select login. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill to avoid typos. Once you land on your Asana homepage, it's time to create your first project. Click New Project. You'll see two common paths. Choose a ready-made template for common workflows, or start from scratch with a blank project. Templates are great if you want a quick structure. For learning, a blank project helps you understand each building block. Give your project a clear descriptive name that your team will recognize later, then click Continue. Next, pick how you want to view your project. List view is perfect for structured to-do lists. Board view feels like a Kanban board with columns. Timeline is ideal for schedules and dependencies, and calendar gives you a date-focused overview. Choose what matches your style today. You can always switch views later. Then click Create Project. Inside your new project, add your first tasks. Keep task names short and action-oriented so they're easy to scan. Open a task's details to start enriching it. Assign an assignee so ownership is clear. Set a due date to create accountability, and add subtasks to break larger work into smaller steps. Subtasks are especially helpful for multi-step deliverables or when multiple people share a responsibility. As work grows, visit My Tasks to see everything assigned to you across projects in one place. This is your personal command center for planning the day. Take a moment to explore the interface so you can find what you need quickly. You'll notice options for switching views, filtering tasks, and collaborating through comments and attachments, which keeps conversations tied to the work. Back in your project, click Customize. This is where Asana becomes powerful. Add forms to collect standardized requests from stakeholders. Create rules to automate routine actions, like assigning tasks when they're added to a section or moving tasks when due dates change. Add custom fields, such as priority, status, or effort, to make your project track exactly what matters to your team. These additions keep your workflow consistent and your data useful. That's it. You've logged in, created a project, added tasks, assigned work, set dates, organized subtasks, reviewed your My Tasks, explored the interface, and customized your project with forms, rules, and custom fields. Save your project, invite teammates, and you're ready to manage work confidently in Asana.